Hello, and thank you for joining me. We're going to learn to clean up our column titles. So you can see in this data set right here, we have fodder, space, area, space, parentheses, parentheses, and then the hectares area. So this is fine. If you want to drag and select for the rest of your life, that's fine. It really does get annoying after a while, so it's nice to just double click and select column names. That's something you'll do quite a bit in your workflow. So if we have these column names like they are, what we're going to do is we're going to do a for loop to replace all of the column names. We have 80 columns today, so big data set. And so here we're going to create our classic for loop structure. We're going to create a list, a blank empty list, and then what we're going to do is for column in df columns, which gives a list of all our columns. But because I want to use the replace function, I'm going to put this into a pandas series. It's just a one-dimensional, basically a list again. It will have the index value, but we're just going to loop through the values in this series. And so that I can have access to this dot replace. So I'll go dot replace the spaces with an underscore, replace the left parentheses and the right parentheses with nothing. And then this clean column title, I'm going to append to this reduced list. And after I do that, you'll see what it looks like here. You see we got nice clean column names here, and I can double click and select one of them. The way to then replace this is just the list of the reduced names, cleaned names. Then I would assign this to df.columns, the attribute, and I'm going to copy over the attribute as it is with the reduced column names title right here. Okay, and we can see if we run this now, we have nice clean column titles that we can double click and select all of them. Sounds small, but actually really makes your life a quality of life improvement that I do on all of my workflows now. Thank you for joining me.